Alright, so just take a quick minute, show a little bit of the tires that I'm going with, the size difference. So I went with the 18-inch Halibrands from Factory 5. I like the Halibrand look, although the color, the factory color, wasn't going to go with the color theme that I have picked out for the car, but wanted to show the tire sizes and tire differences. So I'll spin you around quick and take a look. So here we go. Rear, front, they're both BFGs, but you can tell the rears are slightly taller, just a little bit wider. Pinstriping turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it, a lot happier than when I was trying to freehand it, and it looks amazing. So I'll get these mounted up just so they don't take up as much room in my storage.